My name is Carmelo Sgroi. I'm a PADI Platinum Course Director and Tech Trainer here in Sicily at Seaspirit Diving Resort and Dive Careers Worldwide. Diving is my passion and I want to pass this to all my IDC candidates during the course here in Sicily, and I want to show them the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. I started diving in 2005 and I worked as a professional for more than 10 years in Australia and Thailand. I opened my own diving center, Seaspirit Diving Resort in Sicily, which is now a career development center. It is managed by a Dutch manager, Silla Letts. I teach the new update IDC curriculum with a digital crew pack, so all the candidates can study at home and get even more prepared for the course. In the IDC, I have also some extra curriculum like Scuba Pro seminar and marine resource management. Another important part of this program is the pre-IDC. All our candidates can come 1 week before and get some extra theory lectures, extra skills circuit, and they can also assist our main instructor at Seaspirit in different courses from open water to dive master. We have always a positive feedback about our pre-IDC because the candidates can get even better ready and gain more experience for the course. Through the IDC is possible to develop more skills with the specialty courses as a deep, nitrox, side mount, project aware, diving against debris. And also you can become a Tech 40, 45, 50 diver and tech instructor afterwards. At Seaspirit we are completely COVID-19 update. We disinfect all our equipment. We adjust all the skills according to the PADI recommendation for COVID-19. Our resort is located inside the Una Hotel Naxos Beach, so we offer a really high level service as a 50-meter Olympic swimming pool. We have a conference room for all your theory lecture and your teaching presentation, and we have a dedicated boat for your open water presentation in the beautiful scenario of the Isola Bella Marine Park in Taormina. I look forward to meet all of you in Sicily. Ciao!